So now I wanted to do a video to see if she'll start. Obviously, I have her roto start. And here's the findings. She's lodged. Yeah. She's locked up. It means you have to take this whole motor apart. Put it in my sonic cleaner, which happens to be right there. So that's a whole process. Just taking the whole engine apart. Really. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. But yeah, engine's locked up. Carb's gonna have to be clean. This will be a whole teardown, man. This whole car will be a whole teardown. And you need parts. I always say, these things are not cheap. Here's my engine here again. Hope that engine's not messed. I'm assuming it's just lodged up and gunked up.